Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. We're going to talk about Yearn Finance and how it could be the Amazon of DeFi. And also, could it reach $1 million? I'm going to say the answer is yes, it could reach $1 million, but I will explain that later. Not going to say it will reach $1 million, but I'm going to say it possibly could reach $1 million per coin. So we know that they've merged or acquired a lot of other projects. And that's just like, if you want to be the 900-pound gorilla in the space, that's just what you do. Also, they have more project developers on their project at this point in the project than any other project. So they are really expanding, and they have that star name brand recognition thanks to their creator and Andre Cronje. However, there are some problems with Yearn Finance, but let's actually look at this article. So Yearn Finance looks like it could put together the Amazon of decentralized finance. If it does, it will get there like everything else in crypto, way faster. So they're planning to expand faster than Amazon in terms of being the Amazon of decentralized finance. For context, at an event in 2012, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos sat on stage with the CTO Werner Vogels and famously said his company is not built around change, it's built around what won't change. That is, consumers want low prices, fast delivery, and vast selection. So like Walmart, but way faster and more selection. The effort we put into these things, spinning those things up, we know the energy we put into it today will be paying dividends for our customers 10 years from now, Bezos said. If customers will always care about prices, speed, and choice, which I definitely do, and Amazon has gotten very good at that, then what will the equivalence be in DeFi? How does that translate onto the blockchain? Maybe low prices, high yields, and wide selection of risk profiles. The third one's now bear in mind, YFI is on Ethereum, so the third one is possible. I don't know about, high yields are possible. I don't really know about low fees and speed. Ethereum isn't exactly known for low fees and speed. The fees that arise on the Ethereum blockchain when things get busy, you're talking about 50, 60 bucks per trade, even more if it gets really, really high. And you have to bid against other people for that fee. So, and speed, Ethereum's really slow when really things get really busy. So you might have to find another conduit or really adopt that layer 2 scaling. This framework makes Yearn's recent moves easier to understand. The company has recently either acquired or partnered with a bunch of DeFi projects such as Fellow Yield Seeker, Pickle Finance, Hedging Protocol Hedgic, Money Market Cream, and institutional DeFi portal Acropolis. Further, Yearn is building whole new wings onto itself with products like Keeper Network and YGift. This might be important. For years, Amazon made most of its money off Amazon Web Services, hosting infrastructure it built internally and then opening it up to the world. Understood through an Amazon-like framework, focusing on the principles of low fees, higher yields, and risk profiles, these moves all start to make more sense. Yearn's integrations will no doubt become even more legible over time as its creator Andre Cronje and his cohort build interfaces to make it easy for users to take advantage of all these integrations without really thinking about it. Blockchain consultant Maya Zahavi agreed. It's aggregating DeFi services so as to reduce the costs across the protocols, in my opinion, she told CoinDesk over WhatsApp. So Yearn has been incredibly seductive. Not only has it drawn a lot of users willing to entrust their crypto assets to it, remember there's only 30,000 tokens or governance tokens. It's already done phenomenally well with attracting code contributors. In Electronic Capital's 2020 developer report, DeFi was the standout category and Yearn was the standout within the standout. DeFi developer pool is up 110% since 2019, according to the report. Yearn is the largest of the ecosystems that were new for 2020, already joining the relatively small cadre of DeFi projects with more than 25 developers. In fact, Yearn has more developers at this point in its lifecycle than any other project so far. That's DeFi. This may be due to the creator Andre Cronje's so-called fair launch of the YFI governance token. Now, YFI has gotten to 40,000, went back down to 8,000, now it's 25,000. It sort of makes intuitive sense that the more fair launch would draw more active participants, Ken Dieter, a partner at Electric Capital, said in an interview. I will consider that anecdotal at this point. So basically, what Yearn is, it's acquiring or basically just absorbing a lot of other projects. It's building new products. And also, it has this all-star developer that a lot of people trust in, even though he's screwed up a couple times. So it has all those ingredients. And I think being on Ethereum, honestly, is going to slow it down a bit, but they might be able to get over that. So it's really, really becoming the Amazon of crypto. And as for $1 million, I do think remember guys, there's only 30,000 of these tokens, like I said. At $1 million a piece, the market cap would be $30 billion. With cryptos' growth, it's not really that unimaginable to see each Yearn Finance token be worth $1 million, unless they issue more, of course. be worth $1 million in the future. There's only 30,000 because a $30 billion, and that's what the market cap would be, $30 billion for a big DeFi project in the future is really not that much. I mean, $1 million. I think like if you're optimistic and you want to make money, buy YFI tokens, wait until $1 million. I think that's a decent goal. Of course, you'll have to keep watch about the progress on the track. I still don't really trust Andre Cronje, but $1 million is definitely possible for Yearn Finance because that only gives you a $30 billion market cap. And crypto's market cap, it's going to easily pass a trillion, 2 trillion, 3 trillion. So you're talking about 1% of that entire market cap being a very big DeFi project. So that's why it's actually possible. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.